Hey everyone, have you ever found yourself deep into a project only to realize there's an update that could change everything? What if that update could affect your entire progress and rewards? Well, today we're diving into exactly that. We're going to explore the latest update on the Tomarket bot, an update that could significantly impact how you move forward with your efforts. So, if you've been following the Tomarket journey, this is one video you don't want to miss. Imagine this. You've been diligently participating in the Tomarket, completing tasks, collecting stars, and ensuring your position in the game. But then, an announcement drops, and suddenly, everything you've been working towards has a new layer of complexity. That's right, there's been a significant update to the bot, and it's crucial to understand how this will affect your progress, your rewards, and ultimately, your future success. In a previous video, we discussed how Tomarket was taking a snapshot of accounts, but what we didn't expect was the level of detail and the impact this would have on your standing within the community. The snapshot wasn't just a routine check, it was the foundation for a new system that could make or break your success in the upcoming token generation event. So, what's this new update all about? The Tomarket team recently completed their first major snapshot on September 2nd. This snapshot is essentially a freeze frame of your account, capturing all the details of your participation, the tasks you've completed, the referrals you've made, and the stars you've accumulated. These stars are now more important than ever, as they will determine your level in the new system. Levels? Yes, Tomarket has introduced a levels system that will directly influence the rewards you receive when the token generation event occurs. If you've been keeping up with your daily tasks and referrals, you're in a good position. But if not, now is the time to ramp up your efforts. This system is designed to encourage continuous participation. Even after the snapshot, your activities, like daily logins, completing tasks, and referrals, will continue to affect your level and the rewards you earn. So don't think that the hard work is over. In fact, it's just beginning. The exciting part is that your stars have already been used to place you in a specific level. This means that the work you've done so far hasn't gone to waste. It's just the starting point. As you continue to engage with the bot, your level will increase, unlocking more rewards and giving you a greater share of the upcoming token distribution. But here's the catch. This level system is only active until the token generation event in late October. This means you have a limited time to boost your level as high as possible. So what should you do? First, keep participating in daily activities to accumulate more stars. Second, link your wallet if you haven't done so already. This will ensure that you're eligible for the upcoming rewards. If you're working with multiple accounts on the same device, be cautious. Linking the wrong account could result in losing your progress on your main account. The best approach is to either use different devices for different accounts or make sure your main account is fully optimized before linking any others. This update is a game changer, and understanding how to navigate it will be key to maximizing your rewards. Make sure you're on top of your tasks, keep collecting those stars, and link your wallet to stay in the game. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.